I think the decision occurred when I was at Melbourne Law School, in fact. There was a session run by a couple of barristers on what to do after law school. And I was really captivated by what they said. The bar had always interested me, but I didn't really know what the pathway was to the bar. And after that session, I got talking with one of the barristers and then did some research work for him. And ended up following him to Canberra to the High Court on a case which he won. And that really cemented in my mind the excitement of being a barrister. There was a few years, of course, after law school of being a solicitor, which I really enjoyed. And just quietly in the back of my mind, there was always that question of when to go to the bar. And that occurred about 5 years ago for me. And I've never looked back. I love it.
Well, I first decided that I might like to become a barrister a little bit after law school. I spent a lot of time, first of all, in the Court of Appeal in the research office, which was fascinating, attached to the Supreme Court Library, and then actually as an associate to an appellate judge, and then as an associate to a trial judge. And that entailed spending a lot of time in court, watching barristers on their feet, and also a lot of time behind the scenes, listening to my judges, thinking about what the barristers had said, grappling with various legal positions that had been put, and also as an associate and a researcher, having a role in really unpicking some of those arguments, looking at what it all meant, and how to put it all together into a judgment. And that's when I really started thinking, hey, well, this is very interesting. I think I could do this. And I think I'd really like to do this. I was certainly very much attracted to the notion of assisting the court and developing the law as a starting point.
I wasn't sure what I wanted to do with my law degree. I explored various options. I didn't know what a barrister was until I obtained an associateship in the Supreme Court, and I worked with a commercial judge, Justice Pagoni. And from there, it gave me an idea of what the court was like, how matters are run at trial, and what the judge, because you're working closely with the judge, thinks of the case, the barristers, the claims that are made. And that all gave me an idea of what a barrister did. And it got me interested in being involved in that part, which is running a case and making decisions about cases to determine the outcome.